Climb inside the 2010 Ford Expedition EL. With fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Fuel economy of 20 miles per gallon on the highway proves this vehicle's efficiency, saving you money at the pump. Ford prioritized comfort and style by including an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, front and rear air conditioning, skid plates, a roof rack, rear wipers, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Call now to schedule a test drive.